Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to increase WordPress memory limit. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So first of all, open your cpanel, then open file manager, and then open public HTML and search for wp-config.php, and then right click above it and click on edit, and scroll down and then here you'll find this option define wp debug false. Select this and you have to paste the code here, and you can find the code in video description below. So paste this code here, and here you can see define wp memory limit 256 megabyte. Then click on save changes, or you can give here any number you want. So then click on save changes. So this is how we can change WordPress memory limit. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.